Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you my tried and true method for cooking the perfect medium rare steak using sous vide. I've been using this technique for years and it never fails to deliver consistent, mouth-watering results. Sous vide is a culinary game changer involving cooking food at a precise, controlled temperature for a longer duration, ensuring your steak is cooked evenly while retaining all its juicy flavors. Our start today is the top sirloin cap, or picanha, a flavorful and budget-friendly cut. I begin by slicing it along the meat grain into substantial 1.5-inch thick pieces. Feel free to trim off any excess fat, especially if the fat edges are wider than the meat, to promote even heating during grilling. Now, onto the sous vide process. I fill a large pot with water and set up my sous vide device to precisely control the temperature. With a variety of devices on the market, choose the one that best suits your needs. I set the temperature to 130 degrees Fahrenheit and wait for the water to reach this level. Meanwhile, season your beef to your taste. Then place it in a plastic vacuum bag and seal it. Once the water hits the right temperature, I gently submerge the sealed steaks and cover the pot with tin foil to minimize heat loss. I set the timer for 2 hours for the steaks to cook to perfection. For those who prefer their steak a bit more cooked, try sous vide at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 2.5 hours. After 2 hours, I take the steaks out, placing them on a paper towel to remove excess water, and prepping them for the grilling step. Setting up a small gas stove in my backyard, since grilling can get quite smoky, I make sure the grill is hot and ready for the steaks. Grilling is all about that perfect sear. I grill each steak for about 2 minutes on both sides and 30 seconds on the edges, achieving a beautiful char that enhances the flavor and texture and adds a touch of smokiness to our sous vide masterpiece. While the beef rests, let's whip up a quick gravy. I combined 5 cloves of smashed garlic, a string of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of concentrated beef gravy, and a cup of water in a pan. Bringing it to a boil and then simmering for 2 minutes, we get an easy and tasty gravy. Now, the moment of truth. I gently slice into the steak, revealing a perfectly cooked, incredibly juicy and tender medium rare steak. The meat is succulent, with a rich deep flavor that comes from the combination of sous vide and grilling. Arranging the steaks on plates, the aroma is simply irresistible, making it hard to wait before diving in. Thank you for joining me in creating this culinary delight. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking and see you in the next video.